Hi, I'm just going to show you how to do some bookmarking in Internet Explorer. So if you're using Internet Explorer, this is how you can save websites that you find. No matter how you end up finding them, you can bookmark them and keep them, and you can sort them out. So we're going to Google something. I don't remember how to spell this guy's name. Akhenaten. Ooh, Akhenaten. It's primary source. Let's have some of that. Alright, so looking at my BBC history, primary evidence, I might need to bookmark more than one of these, but I'm going to go straight for primary evidence. So hard to find primary sources in history, so this might be a really good one to go back and look at in more detail when I've got more time. So I'm going to bookmark it. So I'll go over to my little star. I'm going over to my favourite star. Okay, and I'm going to add to favourites. And it pops up. Now I can add a new folder, and I'm going to add a new folder called Ancient Egypt, or you could call it Akhenaten, or Cleopatra, or Hatshepsut, or Ramses II, whichever pharaoh you're going for. Or you can just go Ancient Egypt if you haven't decided, or you just want to keep everything that you do in one folder. You could call it Humanities. You can have a favourites folder for every different subject. You can have hundreds of them. Alright, so I'm going to go Create and Add. And so then when I go to my favourites again, I've got Ancient Egypt, and it should pop up. There we go. There's the first thing I've bookmarked in Ancient Egypt. So I can go back to that little search list I found. Oops, go back to the search. That's my little waiting for it to load. And I might go to bbc.co.uk, which is a really great source as well, and see what this one has to say for itself in a second. Here we go. Ooh. Yep. Oh, yeah. Religious reforms. Yes, we want to know about that. So I'm going to bookmark that one as well to look at later. And I'm going to add to my favourites. I'm going to choose, so it already says Ancient Egypt, but you can choose all your different folders that you've got. So I'm choosing Ancient Egypt and adding it to Ancient Egypt. So when I go back to my favourites, in my Ancient Egypt folder, it gives me a whole list. So I've got 2 things so far. And now I think, oh, I've got some time to go back. I'm going to go back to that primary evidence one. Have another look at that. And it takes me straight back there. I don't have to remember what I searched for. I don't have to remember how I got there. And then you can look at it carefully, take the notes, add the notes into your research journal, add the URL information into your bibliography. It's all right there. You don't have to think about where it came from. So bookmarking, really good thing to do, a really good thing to do in an organised way, so you can quickly and easily find what you found before.